Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Today I saw this little Phalaenopsis mariaee. And it's not doing great anymore. I repotted it in March, the same way as I've been doing for the last 3 years. In plain bark with some perlite. Quite hard packed, but I think it was in a really bad condition when I got it. The girl who had it before me, she said she had it for 8 years. It never once bloomed for her, so it should be about 11, 12, 13 years old. This one never bloomed. So what's the problem, I might ask? So, as I said, I've been trying out something new, the semi-hydro. Since I already know that this guy haven't got any more roots. All the roots are dead. There's nothing here. I don't know whether I should keep it or not. I know too little about Phalaenopsis, but even this root, the only root that is got left that looks a little bit decent enough to keep, it's papery here. But I should keep it. I can cut all the rest off. All the other ones off. Yep. That's what I'm gonna do. Like this. Yep. Now they're off. Not much to do about this guy. Well, I can spray what's left of it with some hydrogen peroxide. 3%. I'm using 3%. Nowadays I have to buy it at eBay. Since they decided in Sweden not to sell it in the pharmacy anymore. Before, every other year I could buy it for 35 crowns, which is approximately three Great British pound, or yeah. But now it's gone up to 250 crowns. It's about 25 pounds for a bottle. It's disgusting. I don't know how and why they did it, but that's what I did. Some restrictions from the EU, perhaps. Well, anyways, I already prepared the pot here, but I put a little bit too much in it in order to keep this single green root, or well, this root is gonna make this guy having to be on the side a little bit if I'm not gonna stake it or do something else. Yeah, I can do that. And here you can see it's got another root that was trying to emerge, but it stopped growing. So obviously something is wrong with this guy. It's never been a vigorous grower. As I said, should be at least 13 years old and never bloomed. That's not a good sign. But I'm a little bit curious and interested in what it's gonna do. I mean, if everybody waited so long to put it in the bin, why not just keep it? It's not a big plant. And it's quite expensive when you try to buy it. Decent size plant of it. So, well, this is what it's gonna look like in semi-hydro. And as I promised last time, in my last video, I was supposed to show you the 2 cattleyas that I put in semi-hydro. So, here they are. Here you can see the Shangfeng apple jade. Looks like this in semi-hydro. And this is RSC Village Tea Bamani crystal. But I will keep you updated on their progress here in semi-hydro in my environment, and we should take it from there. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please, if you didn't hate my video, press like. I would be really happy if you did it. Nobody ever pressed like on my videos, at least not my orchid videos. Only my dog show videos I got a few likes, and my fish cichlid videos. So I'm trying, and my goal is to improve and be better, to find a computer program to cut the videos and make some pop-ups and stuff. But we already have a few people, YouTube channels that make that kind of videos, and they do a great job. Miss Orchid Girl and Orchid Room and Roger's Orchids. They are so great, and I learned a lot of orchid stuff, orchid related stuff from them. And they've been trying to tell us how to make proper videos and everything, but we are not the same. Every people are not the same. We have some people work in another way. A little bit too hasty, a little bit, should be a little bit quicker on everything, and not so, you know what I mean. I'm a little bit in too much of a rush to have the time to sit down and look at a computer program, and there's really too much to do. But I'm just thinking, why not just share a little bit? I got 180 orchids, and I think I can show you some decent stuff in the future. All right. Well, back to business. Have a good night, and I see you next time, I hope. Bye-bye.